Good morning, students. So far, we have discussed the concept of reading and the definition of reading and the nature of reading, the introduction part of reading. Now, let us discuss the concept of importance of reading. Why reading is important? What are the advantages of reading? Why we should read? So now, reading is a crucial process in career and personal fulfillment. Reading is an important skill. It's a very crucial skill in career as well as in personal fulfillment and personal development. Reading is a crucial skill. The first important factor of reading is fundamental for for functioning of today's society. Reading is a fundamental phenomena, or reading is a fundamental aspect for functioning of today's society. For example, if you go to railway station, you read. That is a fundamental aspect in today's world. And when you buy some medicines, you read some instructions. So before purchasing items, now reading is an important part. And instructions on medicine bottles or instructions on purchasing items, and reading warning signs, and reading also is useful to follow maps from where to where, the globalized world. So people travel from country to country, place to place, and when people want to travel, they have to read from way to way. And reading is important to fill up the applications. Filling up application is a general process. It's a very common phenomenon. So here, that is the reason why reading is a fundamental aspect for functioning of today's world. And reading is a vital skill in finding a good job. The second important factor of reading. Reading is important for employment, for job, for career, for good job. And a well-paying job requires reading. And reading as a part of job performance also. Reading is required to get a job, and reading is also required for better performance of a job. And while doing job, you have to read several reports, memos, explanation letters. So reports, letters, memos, explanation letters, emails, everything you have to read. So that's the reason why to give response, to read quickly, or to give response, or to take response, or to act, to react, or to respond in your job career, reading is a compulsory aspect. It's a very important skill. It is a vital skill. And reading is important especially in workplaces. Especially when you work in multinational companies, maybe it may be private sector or government sector. In every sector, reading has become a fundamental aspect. You have to read. The third important aspect is reading is important because it develops the mind. Mind is a muscle. Our body needs physical exercise. Likewise, our mind also needs mental exercise. The mental exercise is done only because of reading. When you read novels, or when you read devotional books, or when you read some stories, irrespective of religion, but some kind of books, some inspirational stories, or religious sacred books, all the religious books. When you read, automatically our mind gets developed. Our mind paves a way for broadened thinking. Broadened thinking is important. Narrow thinking creates many problems. Broadened thinking solves many problems. So reading is important for broadened thinking, for wide thinking, for understanding, for adjusting, for convincing, for communicating. So that's the reason why the mind is a muscle that needs exercise. Understanding the written words grows our mental abilities. The mental abilities are enriched because of reading. So our mind gets developed because of reading. And teaching young children helps us in improving our language skills as well as our mental abilities. And proper listening also is important, because if you listen to properly, you will understand. So so misunderstanding leads to different problems. Misunderstanding leads to various problems. So misunderstanding leads to disasters. So that's the reason why reading is a very important aspect. It's an important point. So reading, another important factor of reading is the books, magazines, and even internet or now or learning tools in everywhere, even social media, even reading book or reading magazine, reading newspaper, everything is important part of life. And reading develops imagination. Imagination is nothing but leads to creativity. Creativity, imagination, both are important for good communicators, for the students. So imagination, and likewise amusement also is another important point of reading. Amusement in non-thinking activities. So no reader experiences these joys to this extent. So reading develops the creative people, and reading develops creativity, reading develops imagination, and reading is a fundamental aspect in developing self-image. If you read properly, if you have good reading skills, your mind gets balanced, and when you are in balanced state, automatically your professional image, your self-image, and your personal image, your social image gets enriched. And reading helps in better spelling, reading helps in better understanding, reading helps in better understanding, semantical understanding, syntactical understanding, structural understanding, and reading helps in expansion of vocabulary, understanding different texts, understanding different types of paragraphs, understanding different ways of writing. And reading, the pen is mightier than the sword. Yes, the pen is always mightier than the sword. So read and research. When you become an extensive reader, you go for research and to build good career and good ideas. And the reading also leads to nation building. So the nation building is an important aspect of a country. So reading is important because the words, the knowledge, the spoken, the written knowledge, everything is important for building of a nation, for growth of a nation, for economic development, for intellectual development, for social development, as well as the overall development. So reading is an important aspect. People, families, relations, nations, countries, world, planet, everything will be peaceful, and everything will be enriched because of reading. So these are all aspects of reading. We'll discuss the techniques of reading in the next video. Thank you.